Alright, so YouTube, y'all got Schnooks, a really nice Carhartt jacket. And that was very kind of you. And he loves it. He loves it. And he deserves it because he's a great guy.
Hello.
And this is not Schnooks at all. That's my oldest daughter cameoing. But you deserve it, brother, because you're a nice guy. I just wanted to give you an idea of what you're in for about 15 years from now. Okay, so stand by. This, more or less, is the jacket that you have just about 15 years forward. So as you can see, yeah, it's Carhartt. And it's the Active Jack. The pocket has seen a little wear. The zipper pull is gone, so I had to create my own zipper pull. And this pocket is also, this is my favorite pocket. It's the most useful pocket that it has, but it still has the little Carhartt tab, so that's good. The inside's held up really well after 15 years of use. You know, we got a little hole here and a little wear and tear along the hood line, and you know, the hood is just a little frayed. And every jacket I own, for whatever reason, has a hole right here from welding, right in the right elbow, from having my elbow bent while welding. And then, you know, got a little fraying right here, and just a little rough right here around the cuffs. Just a little rough. Just a little rough. This one's also just a little rough. Yeah, you know, it's repairable. No big deal. Repairable. No big deal. Ish. But, yeah, the backside's good. You know me. I always got a good backside. So, yeah, brother, shalom. I'm glad you got a cool jacket. I can tell you they're good for at least a decade and a half if you're not too worried about looking awesome. But I know you. You said you're hard on your stuff, as am I. I am a bear, as you well know. And let me tell you that they'll last and last and last. So, man, I'm happy for you. You need to do an update in like a decade and let us know what your jacket looks like. Shalom, brother.